Large-scale research has demonstrated the existence of a direct correlation between calcium consumption and blood pressure. In a double-blind test, in 45% of hypertensives subjected to calcium supplementation at a dose of 1,000 milligrams per day for 1 month, blood pressure normalized. The older the subjects, the more evident the decrease in blood pressure, especially in women. In addition to calcium supplements, vitamin D is effective, while salt and the consumption of saturated fats, sausages, cheeses, chocolate and alcohol must be reduced. Also, avoid sweets, as sugars cause the onset of glycemic peaks associated with increased blood pressure. Potassium must be introduced in considerable quantities, where it is called upon to replace sodium, therefore vegetables, whole grains, which also contain magnesium, legumes, and lots of fruit are recommended. The consumption of garlic is helpful as, among other things, it prevents an excessive increase in systolic blood pressure. Saffron has also shown a good ability to lower blood pressure,